In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate on Safari iPhone. If you've ever landed on a web page that isn't in your language, Safari on iPhone makes it simple to translate right inside the browser. This feature is built in on devices running iOS 14 or later, and it supports several languages including English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, French, German, and more. To get the smoothest experience, make sure your iPhone is up to date before you start. Begin by opening Safari and navigating to a website that's written in another language. It could be a news article, a blog, or any page that isn't in your preferred language. Once the page loads, look for the Site Settings button in the address bar. It appears as a small icon to the left of the website address. Depending on your iOS version, your address bar might be at the top or the bottom, but the icon will be right beside it. Tap that Site Settings button. In the menu that appears, choose Translate to English or select your preferred language if it's available. The first time you use this feature, Safari may ask you to enable translation. If you see that prompt, simply tap Enable Translation. This gives Safari permission to process the page so it can show you a reliable translation. Safari will then reload the page automatically and display the content in the language you chose. The layout of the website should stay intact, but now the text will be readable in your selected language. If anything seems to take a moment, give it a second to finish refreshing. If you want to see the original text again, tap the same Site Settings button and choose View Original. The page will switch back to its native language without losing your place. If the translate option doesn't appear, there are a few quick things to try. First, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, since translation features improve with updates. Next, reload the page to trigger Safari's translation check. If you're still not seeing the option, the website might use its own translation system or dynamic content that Safari can't translate. So try another web page in a different language to confirm the feature is working. And if you need broader language support, consider installing a trusted translation extension like Microsoft Translator from the App Store. That's all you need to translate web pages on Safari for iPhone quickly and confidently.